Hey guys, it's Laura. If you are short on time and needing to get a workout in that works your full body in under 15 minutes, this is it. I'll be using 2 different weights of dumbbells, 10s and 20s, but use whatever works best for you. We'll be combining upper, lower, and core movements in one exercise. So get ready, put your weights to the side, water bottle and a towel, and let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with my lighter weight because we have a squat to an overhead press. I will probably not be on the beat for this. Okay, I'll try to be good. Press. Press. Now, if you're like, all I want to do is cardio today, treat it like cardio, go lighter, go faster. But either way, your heart rate's going to be up. You're about halfway there. Sit back in that squat. Abs tight, especially at the bottom. Three, 2, 1. Set it down. One weight. I'm going to keep the 10. Lunge back with a twist. Rotation toward that front knee. Okay, doesn't matter what leg you start with. Step, twist, up, switch. Step, twist. Get back there. Remember, a good lunge is a long lunge. Don't take too small a step. Front knee is over your heel. Keep most of the weight or most of your focus on that front leg. Now, you can always modify this, I couldn't think of the word, by not extending the arms. It's still core, just not as much shoulder. One more? We'll do one more each way just to make sure. You might be going at a different speed than me. Okay, one heavy weight. Actually, let's do 2. Let's maximize our time. So I got my 20. We're gonna go into an RDL, down for 2 rows, and then stand up. So 2, 2, 2. All right, here we go. Shift back. Pull on a diagonal, not straight up. Squeeze your glutes to come up. Shoulders stay back. Remember, you only have 45 seconds, so maximize the weight you're lifting. Hinge back, bend those knees. So you're getting lower body glute, of course lower back, hamstring, and then you're getting the lats, back of the shoulder, bicep. Let's do one more. I know I'm going a little over, but hey, you know what? Up. Okay, I'm gonna keep one weight. I'm gonna keep the 20. We have a bicep curl with a sumo. Hopefully my feet don't slide. Here, let me move back here. Knees and toes out. Think about keeping those knees out, okay? Don't let them cave in. Shoulders back. Now down slowly. Curl. Keep those elbows close to your body. Drive up. Don't rush. All right, you got a whole 45 seconds. So if you feel like it's a little late, go heavier if you've got that option. Remember, we need stimulus to change, to get stronger, to add more lean tissue to our body. If you always do the same weight and you don't challenge yourself, your body has no reason to change. We want to stay strong, especially as we get older. 10 seconds. Here's your last one. Come up. Okay. I'm going to grab my 10 again. A little bit of core, a little bit of upper body, and balance, which works the lower body. I'm going to start with this leg lifting. Lift. See if you can pause at the top. Don't turn your toe up. Pause. So we're going to do 30 seconds on each side. Pause. Slight bend in that elbow. Try not to use momentum. Don't swing really fast. More time under tension. Okay, one more. Let's switch sides. Ready? Right there. I like to turn my toe down a little bit. This side's so much easier for me. It doesn't have to be a high lift. We do want to get that glute med muscle. There's 3 muscles in your glutes. We all know the maximus, right? One more. Yay. Okay, set that down. You have the option here, 1 heavier weight or 2 lighter. Even if they're the same amount of weight, 2 weights is going to be more challenging just because you have to stabilize more. We have triceps. I'm going to do the 10. You could do 1 heavier dumbbell and hold it horizontally between both hands. Let me move back so you can see my arms. Okay, right here. Okay, tricep. I'm going to add to this. We're not just going to do tricep. All the way down. Get the stretch in the tricep. 1 more. Now hold it up and squat or hinge. Now, if you're just like, whoa, that's too much, right here. Okay? You can hold it on your shoulders, by your ears. Okay, go back to the tricep. It really depends on your mobility. 2 more. 1 more. Bring those hands wherever you need to. Let me see if I can. No, I can't. I'm locked up today. Some days are better than others, right? Come on, get down in that squat. Sit back. Bring it up. 1 more. Okay, bring it down. Remember, keep those weights wherever they challenge you, but you got to have good form. 1 more set. Press overhead. Here's your squat. I did a lot of exercise yesterday. Okay, put 1 weight down. Core. Remember, your core is your abs, your low back, your hips, those deep underlying muscles attaching to your spine. Okay, wood chop. Wait, I should be chopping down. Chop down. There we go. You can't, well, you could chop up, I guess, but it's probably not the safest thing. You don't want to chop a tree up. As you go down, tighten. Remember, your abs, your obliques act as a brake. See if you can bring it behind you a little bit. Don't hit your knee. That wouldn't be good. Okay, 4 more. Before you change sides, hands neutral. Knee, 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 knee. Turn your chest. See if you can reach it a little more. Now, 4 more, and we got to wood chop the other way. Okay? Other hand on top. Make sure you switch those hands. Come on, we're at the end here. Tighten those abs. Use control. Sorry for the breathing. Sorry, not sorry. That's a big tree. Hit it harder, but brace. Last 4, and we got that knee twist. This is the last thing. I don't know, I have to yell the last word. Here we go. You're like, it's like she's trying to annoy us on purpose. Maybe. Come on, feel that in the obliques. The knee is not the throwaway move here. Lift that knee. Okay, here's your last one. Excelente. Okay, big inhale. Exhale. One more. Okay, let your heart rate come down. Now, I hope you challenge yourself. I have a feeling you did. I know I can trust you. I'm the opposite of trust issues. Slide the hand down. Curl that spine. Feels good on the lower back. Oh, release that lower back. Coffee and release it my lower back. That's my favorite. All the way up. One leg forward. Hinge. Hold that hamstring. Remember, don't tilt under. Arch your lower back. Just think of all those Instagram posts you don't like looking at. No, don't think about that. Come up. Switch sides. Thankfully, maybe I've curated my Instagram enough. I don't see that anymore. Thank goodness. Like, why? All right, step wide. Lean back into the hip and get a stretch in that inner thigh. Switch sides. Oh, you did epic. Bring it in. Big inhale one more time. Thank you so much for working out with me. Thanks for putting up with me. Be kind to yourself today. You deserve it. I'll see you next time.